This is Miss Ariana from East Greenbush Community Library. And I'm going to teach you how to make a dragon out of cupcake liners in honor of Chinese New Year. So you're going to need 10 cupcake liners, any kind of colors, any kind of patterns on it. Here comes Milo the Craft Cat. So what your first step you're going to do, you're going to need 10 of these, some red, orange, yellow, or really any color tissue paper, a little scrap of white paper, either yarn or pipe cleaner, some glue, scissors, and a background sheet for your dragon. So first step is I'm going to take 2 out to use as the dragon's head. So we'll put those to the side. But these 8 liners, you're going to open them. Kind of smush them down. Fold them in half. By the way, you could also use the baby cupcake liners, like for the mini muffins. You could just make a smaller dragon. So with 8 of the cupcake liners, you're going to fold them and cut them in half like this. So first, I lightly sketched with a pencil the shape I think I want my dragon to follow. Doesn't have to be exact, just to give me a guideline. Then you start gluing your dragon body parts, your little fans made out of cupcake liners, with the circle part facing to the left. Or you could mix it up and do it whatever way you want, but this is the way that I was doing it. And you just start making it curve around. So I'll continue to do this until I'm all the way down. After you finish putting your dragon scales in whatever pattern or way you want, and you glue them down, you're going to take the last 2 cupcake liners. And you're going to fold them in half, and this is how you're going to cut them. It's a little different. You're going to cut on the line where the inner semicircle ends. Carefully. So you have one piece like that. You could save your triangle end pieces for later. You're going to cut the second one in the same way. And this is going to make the dragon's head. So you're going to cut on the corners where the semicircle in the middle is. One of them you're going to glue shut. So when you have the 2 pieces like this, you glue one shut. That's going to be the top of the dragon's head. This one's going to go down here. You can glue the bottom down, but then there's a couple things we have to do to it. So we glue this down like, whoops, that was goofy, like this. See? Okay. Glue some googly eyes on. If you don't have googly eyes, you can just make some. So get the googly eyes on wherever you want to put them. Then take some yarn or take your half of a pipe cleaner. Put some glue down right here. And give them some whiskers. Oh, that looks good. What are we missing here? We need some ears. So we take the leftover corner we cut off from the cupcake liner from the face, and we could just make 2 triangles. We'll stick them up there. Oh, that looks cute. What else? He's a fire-breathing dragon. So let's add a little nostril in there. All right, open up that big scary mouth. He doesn't look too scary. Cut some triangles out of the white paper for his teeth. So glue some teeth in there. Give him as many as you want to give him. Next, my favorite part is making the fire. So you could use streamers if you have some left over from a party, or some tissue paper. So I'm just gonna rip some strips of tissue paper and kind of crumple them up a little bit. Give them some dimension. And I'm gonna glue these down. And last but not least, we're gonna glue his mouth shut. There he is. If you want, you can leave it a little open like that. And there he is, our fire-breathing Chinese dragon.